Hey guys, welcome again to channel Code Bootcamp. This is a continuation episode of the previous episode about how to implement JWT Bearer in Netcore. In the previous episode, we wrote code for the login async and authentication async function. We have created the service configuration class. And now we will add the service configuration in app setting JSON. And don't forget to add connection string. Next step, create controller with the name outController and add the following code to the controller. Add controller with a epic control empty, add outController. Add code here, private identity service public outController. And finally, we have to update startup.js. In startup.js, add swagger in configure service. Write this code and this code in configure. To register service configuration, write code. And this is for configure JWT Authentication. And now we will try to run the project. Swagger. We will try to execute the login async function. Enter username and password. If successful, the token is created successfully. Okay guys, thanks for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.